Mr. Speaker. Good day, Mr. Speaker and esteemed members of this august chamber. I rise today under the privilege to address the reckless and malicious allegations recently made by Congressman Kiko Barsaga against the National Unity Party, its members, the Deputy Speaker Rolando Ronnie Puno, and Mr. Enrique Razon. Let me be clear, ang mga paratang na sinasabing may bribery at illegal na transaksyon kaugnay sa speakership election ay walang basihan, walang ebidensya, at lubang paniniraramang. These are not merely false statements, they are serious accusations that malign the character and integrity of public servants and potentially undermine public trust in this institution. Congressman Kiko Barsaga has once again chosen to weaponize social media instead of following proper channels. He claims he has evidence, yet refused to present in a formal, verified manner consistent with the rules. I remind this chamber that under Republic Act 10175, the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, defamatory statements posted online constitute cyber libel. All essential elements of cyber libel, publication online, identification of person, defamatory imputation of a crime, and malice are clearly present in this case. This is not a mere rhetoric. It constitutes a criminal offense amounting to another instance in cyber libel, and clearly provides a sufficient basis for initiation of a further investigation by the proper authorities. Furthermore, the making of sweeping and unsubstantiated allegations against an entire bloc with the House of Representatives, coupled with statements that cast defamation on the acts of the institution itself, of which Congressman Barsaga sought membership and spent money to secure election, constitutes conduct of that tends to erode public confidence in the House. Such acts amount to violation of the House rules on the Code of Conduct and Republic Act number 6713, the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and may give rise to the filing of another ethics complaint, considering that Congressman Barsaga has not yet fully served the penalty imposed in a prior disciplinary proceeding. His recent action merit careful consideration of the imposition of more stringent disciplinary measures. Congressman Barsaga has maligned every living member of the NUP, a party co-founded and once led by his late father, and one that he himself proudly joined. In the past month, even the deceased member has not been spared from attack and defamation. It is deeply disturbing that unfounded and irresponsible allegations continue to be made, to the point that neither the living nor the memory of the dead is spared. Such statements, unsupported by facts and marked by this regard for fairness and restraint, fall well below the standards of accountability and integrity demanded of a public official. We are all here to serve the Filipino people. Hindi natin papayagan ang paninirang puri at walang basihan aligasyon na sirain yung kredibilidad ng ating mga kasamahan at ng Kongreso. I therefore call on the Congressman Kiko Barsaga to show evidence under oath and according to the rules, or stop making reckless and baseless statements. Let this serve as a warning. The rights, reputation, and dignity of members of this House will not be trampled upon. This House must remain a place of accountability transparency, and integrity. Maraming salamat po and may God bless us all. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Kong George. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to refer the speech of the Honorable Ferrer to the Committee on Rules for its appropriate action.
Any objection? Chair is none. Motion is carried. Majority